When a patient gets admitted in a hospital, he or she gets exposed to numerous pathogens in the surroundings. 1 in 25 patients getting admitted in a hospital contracts some form of infection from the hospital environment. Of the infected victims, 1 in 9 die. Due to this, every year more than 2 million lives are lost, with an annual spending of $105 billion to control and treat the infections. It is a battle of its own kind for the patients who are already fighting their own illness. World Health Organization studied the situation over a decade and came up with the fact that following proper hand hygiene in healthcare premises will prevent the spread of infections. By following 80% hand hygiene, more than 50% of the infections can be prevented from spreading. Unfortunately, healthcare workers often miss 2/3 of their opportunity to sanitize their hands. In a healthcare worker's point of view, there are several reasons for missing the opportunity to follow a simple procedure. It may be a busy day where they are focused more on the treatment. It may be an improper access to sanitizer, or simply it may be forgetfulness. A system to address these problems with effective solution is still unmet. Observe Design presents a smart solution to this problem of hand hygiene compliance and monitoring in healthcare sector. The system includes a smart bedside sanitizer that identifies the healthcare worker when they come near a patient. The device reminds them to sanitize their hands and monitors them for their hand hygiene activities, finally generating graphical reports. The analytical software converts huge amount of individual data into simple and elaborate reports, which will provide the hospital an insight into their hygiene activities, leading them to devise action plans like awareness programs. This monitoring system will reduce the human interventions required for monitoring the compliance, requires minimum IT knowledge to operate, and functions on minimum infrastructure requirements, which reduces the installation cost considerably. With Observe Design system, improvement of hygiene compliance is certain. Reduced infections directly amounts to reduced patient suffering, reduced expenditure for hospitals, increased satisfaction in treatment. Clean care is safer care. Observe Design ensures you a cleaner and safer hospitals.